Hello everyone, we are here from this FIDE World Rapid Chess Championship Women's 2024. We also have a international master Alice Lee USA. She was born on October 13, 2009 in USA. She was a 15 years old. So the puzzle is 2398 and rapid is 2450 and blitz is 2337 here. I thought she was a teenager. She was cute. I think she is a best moves of these chess games here. So the grandmaster is Russia is Valentina Gonina. She was born on February 4, 1989 in Russia. She was a 35 years old. So the puzzle is 2425. So rapid is 2388 and also blitz is 2374. So, so we have here from the here from this analyze here on this chess games in this round number 4. So, so, so white plays here. So white plays d4 Alice, d5 Valentina, c4, c6, c6 slap defense, and also knight f3. So knight f3 here. So I think the slap defense is captured here, captured. So captured knight knight f3 and also knight f6 here. So I think this slap defense here from this one. So back here is knight f3. There's this moves on this Alice Lee here. Knight f6, e3, bishop g4, h3, captured bishop, queen takes f3, e6, knight c3, knight b d7, and also queen d1 from novelty from Lee. So I think this analyze moves. So this best moves is a3 from this. We have no more of this bishop b3 here from this one. So back here, then this one is queen d1 here, bishop d6, bishop d3, castle, castle, queen e7, e4, d takes e4, knight takes e4, knight takes e4, and also bishop takes e4, knight f6 threatening bishop, and also bishop f3, rook a d8, queen b3. So I think queen b3 is one from these moves from Alice, and also bishop b8 backwards here, bishop e3, h5, so h4, so no more with this h4 here. So knight h7, g3, so f5 from good moves from Valentina Goninas here, and also d5. So d5 is one this one. So d5 is bad move from Alice. Doesn't want here from this computer engine and this moves. So the best moves is rook a d1 here. So rook d1 here. So back here is d5. So f4 threatening bishop, good move from Gonina. Bishop takes f4, bishop takes f4. So pawn captured and rook takes f4, bishop g2, rook takes h4, rook f e1, and also knight g5. So knight g5, bad move from Valentina. So the best moves here with this one here is c takes d5. So c takes d5 and also e5 here. So I think the lots more moves there. So back here is knight g5 captured, and also rook takes e6. Rook g4. Sorry, I think queen f1, rook f8. Good moves from Valentina, and also rook a d1, rook gf4. So rook gf4, bad moves from this one black pieces here. So the best moves analyzed is call this knight. So knight takes e6 there. So back here, so rook g4, rook e2, good move from Alice, rook 4 f6, another bad move from Valentina. So the miss moves is knight takes e6 here from miss moves. So back here is rook for f6, c5, king h8, good move, and also rook d6, good move from Alice. So b6, so b6 here from this one. So b6 bad move from this Valentina's here. So the analyze here with this one is what do you call this? So analyze is, so rook takes e6 here. This one rook takes e6, and also so rook takes e6, and also knight takes e6 here. So back here from this one is, so b6 here, queen c4. So defend this one. I think the wrong moves from Alice. So the analyze here is bishop takes c6, or maybe is rook takes c6 here. So I think this rook takes c6 here. So back here this one is queen c4, rook f5, b4, another bad, I think bad move from Alice here from this one. So the best moves here is, what do you call this? So the best moves is c takes, so c takes b6, and also a takes b6, and also queen takes c6 here. So queen takes c6. So back here from this one is b4, captured from pawn, captured, rook b8. So rook b8, another bad move from Gonina. So the best moves here is rook c8 r defense. So rook defense here. So I think rook defense from this one. So back here from this one is rook b8, king g1. Another wrong move. What happened wrong? Wrong move from Alice. So the best moves is bishop takes c6, or maybe rook takes c6 here. So another back here from this one is king g1, knight f3 check, bishop takes f3, good move from Alice, rook takes f3, rook e5, g6. Oh my god, g6. My god, bad move again by Gonina. What happened, Goninas? Why g6 here? So the best moves is queen e6 r defense there. So defense this one here, you should be more careful with this one. So back here from this one is g6 here, queen d4, good move from Alice. Nice move from Alice Lee. From this teenager, she was a move. So queen d4. So the white pieces, we have 15 seconds here from Alice Lee, and also 14 seconds from this Valentina Gonina. So running as fast as you can here. So king g8, rook d7 threatening queen, queen f6, rook f7. Bad move from Alice. So bad move. So the best moves is g7, e7, and also here is queen g7, and back from queen. So e8 queen, and rook takes e8, and also rook takes e8 check. So winning for whites here from this one and there. So back there is, so rook f7 threatening queen here, rook b1 check, king g2, king g2. So so another so so another this one. So white pieces here, 29 seconds from Alice, and also black pieces from Valentina, 16 seconds. So what is the last move here? So let's check. Oh my god, queen takes f2. So after rook takes f2. Sorry, I think rook takes f2 check. So after rook takes f2 check, so it thinks, so time losses, time out from GM Valentina, so flag down. Oh my god. So we have watched this new video clips here. So we have watched this new video clips there from this one. So let's watch from this video clips from round 4 from Alice Lee and also Valentina Golina. So watch this.
Okay, so Alice Lee will waiting for moves to this white. Still thinking from Alice Lee here from focusing moves here. So Alice Lee will moves there. Oh, b4. b4 from Alice Lee. So I think b takes c5 captured from Gonina. So Alice will moves this one. Oh, she captured from b takes c5. So Gonina still nervous from these moves here. Still focusing from Valentina Gonina from Russia. So I think this moves from this one. Oh, rook b8. Oh my god. Oh my god, what happened? Rook b8. Why she's moved from Gonina's from rook b8? Oh, king g1. Oh, knight f3 check. Oh, captured bishop. Rook takes. Oh my god. So thinking from Alice Lee from still slow moves here. Still thinking from Alice Lee from USA. So what are you gonna do to moves from Alice to attacking this one? Okay, so Alice Lee will focusing thinking. Oh, rook e5. Rook e5 from Alice Lee. So Gonina was very nervous, very hard from Valentina Gonina from Russia. So thinking from this Valentina's from still focusing here. Still thinking from this one. Oh, g6. Why she's moved from g6 from Gonina? Oh, king d4, good move. What's that? Oh, king g8. Oh, king g8 from Gonina. Oh, still thinking. Oh, rook d7, threatening queen. Oh, still in seconds here from moves from faster. Oh, queen f6. Oh, rook f7, threatening queen. Oh, why rook f7 here moves from Alice Lee from USA? Oh, so Gonina still thinking from moves here. Oh, rook b1 check. So king g2 from Alice Lee from moves. So from 10 seconds from Goninas from Russia. Oh my god, 10 seconds. Oh my god, still time loses. So Valentina still time lost from this one. So oh my god, Valentina still lost. What happened this Valentina's Gonina? Oh, I think she moves on this one. So I think so. Time is losses and time's up. So I think Alice Lee will win from this round four here. So Alice Lee will arrange these chess pieces and Gonina. So bringing this water and this one. Okay, we have also that enjoyed this watching this video clip on this one this in this round four from Alice Lee and Valentina Gonina. So let's continue for this analyze. So why she's time out and time losses because for example from queen takes f2 2 and also have queen takes e5 and also have a rook f8 check. So I think it's one. So I think fatal. So fatal it is moves when this one when this thinking and this moves. So I think it's timeouts from this one. So loses from this Russia from Valentina Goninas from this round four. So I think she's she's also stressful against that. So the winner from this International Master USA from Alice Lee. Yay! Congratulations from Alice Lee from International Master, 15 years old. So I hope this enjoy these games and this round 4. So thank you for watching. So I'm Michael Mark 17. So I'm Mark Luagi 17. So thank you so much here on this one. Have a good day and keep safe and goodbye.